These are soft pillows on the inside and crunchy on the outside with a good kick of garlic and spices. Let's start by chopping the potatoes. I'll show you how to cut the potatoes into wedges. First, let's cut it into half. Now we will cut this half piece into 3 wedges. So we will cut all the potatoes into wedges. So I have chopped all the potatoes into wedges. Let's arrange these potatoes into a plate. I'll partially cook these potatoes in a microwave. You can always cook it in boiling water, but then ensure that the potatoes are dried off completely before baking. I like to cook it in microwave. What it does is, it dries the potatoes, which gets really crispy when baked. I'll pop it in the microwave for 5 minutes. So the potatoes are out of the microwave. I've taken a baking tray and lined it with aluminium foil. Let's grease it with olive oil. I'll pop this tray into the oven and preheat the oven to 230 degrees Celsius. Let's start preparing the marinade. In a bowl, take some olive oil. Let's add the seasoning, salt, red chilli powder or paprika, a pinch of turmeric, chaat masala, a mix of Italian herbs, oregano, basil, rosemary and thyme, crushed black pepper, garlic paste, finely chopped coriander leaves. Let's mix it properly. Let's add the potatoes. Mix it so that it is well coated with the marinade. So the potato wedges are well covered with the marinade. So the oven is preheated and I have taken out the tray out of the oven. Let's arrange the potatoes into the tray in a single layer. Let's roast it in the oven. I'll bake it for 15 minutes on one side, flip it and then bake for 15 minutes on the other side. So total 30 minutes. The wedges are in the oven. Meanwhile, let's prepare an easy dip for it. I'll be using homemade mayonnaise and chili sauce. Give it a mix. And our healthy dip is ready. The potato wedges are ready. Look at these, how delicious it looks. Let's plate it. Let's garnish it with finely chopped coriander. And our crispy potato wedges are ready. They are so incredibly delicious and simple. Give it a try, you're gonna adore them. Whenever we buy the frozen Makai Smileys, she always asks me, Mama, can you make this at home? So here we go. It is very easy and simple. Let's begin. Take boiled and grated potatoes, breadcrumbs, corn flour, salt, pepper, red chili flakes, oregano, little oil. Mix everything well to make a soft dough. Add more breadcrumbs if the dough is sticky. Drizzle some oil and knead to make a non-stick dough. Cover with cling wrap. This dough goes into the refrigerator for 30 minutes to set. Getting store-bought is convenient, but it contains preservatives, trans fat and lots of salt. So I always try to make things at home so that we have control of what we are eating and try to make it healthier. The dough is set. I'm going to divide it into two parts. Take one part and place on a butter paper. Cover with another paper. And then using a rolling pin, roll into half-inch thick circle. Butter paper prevents the dough from sticking. Now using a cookie cutter or a cap, make rounds. Remove the extras and add to the remaining dough. Using straw, make two eyes like this. Take a spoon and make a smile. Don't they look cute? For cooking, you can fry them or it can also be baked. I'll show you both. You can choose whichever method you like. Place the smileys on a baking tray. Brush some oil on top and bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 25 minutes. This is how they look after baking. Next, let's fry them. Stir occasionally and fry on medium flame until it is crisp and nicely golden brown. Let's take them out. These are crispy, delicious and impressive snacks. It just needs a handful of ingredients. Let's do the plating. Some ketchup and our smileys. You can also make it in bulk and freeze them. Let me show you how to do that. Take a Ziploc bag and put the prepared smileys into it. Seal it and freeze them. This can last for a few months. Whenever you want to eat, take them out of the freezer and fry them immediately. Call them fries, chips or potato fingers. Fried potato sticks are the most loved snack on earth. I'm going to start by chopping the potatoes. I have taken 2 large potatoes. Let's peel them. Now I'm going to cut it into slices. I have stuck 2 slices and will cut them into long strips. So we have got the French fry shape. All our potatoes are chopped. I have taken some ice cold water. I'm going to put our potato strips into it and soak for at least 30 minutes. What it does is the potatoes release the starch, and the more starch it releases, the crispier are your fries. So ensure that you soak in cold water for a good amount of time. Let's check the potatoes. Now I'll drain the excess water and take out the potatoes onto a plate. You can see the water has become cloudy because of the starch from the potatoes. Now the potato sticks goes onto a kitchen towel and I'll pat it dry completely. I have some Ziploc bags. Let's put the potatoes into it. Seal the bag and these bags goes into the freezer for a minimum of 1 hour. Time to fry them. I have some vegetable oil heating. The best fries are double fried. First at low flame to cook them through and second time in a very hot oil to crisp them to golden brown. Let's put the potato sticks. So the oil is moderately hot and we will fry it for around 7 to 8 minutes so that it's well cooked from inside. Let's take them out, drain the excess oil. So you can see they are very soft, lightly colored and cooked from inside. Frying your fries twice might sound like a lot of work, but if you want them light and crispy, that's what you have to do. The oil is very hot. Let's fry them for the second time. This step should be faster, maybe for 2 to 3 minutes. Do you notice how fast the color has changed? Our fries are golden brown. Let's take them out. I'm going to season it with some salt and pepper. And our crispy homemade French fries are ready. With some tips and tricks, you can make perfect crispy French fries at home. So give this recipe a try and share your experience in the comment section. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed watching it. Subscribe to Akshay Foods. See you again with a new recipe. Until then, bye bye.